I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious spinach artichoke cheese dip. First, thaw and drain 10 ounces of frozen spinach very well, squeezing out all excess water. Then, drain and chop 14 ounces of canned or jarred artichoke hearts. Make sure your cream cheese is softened to room temperature for easier mixing. This preparation ensures a smooth and creamy base for your dip. Now let's combine everything. In a large bowl, mix 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and 1/4 cup of sour cream until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, and a dash of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Gently fold in the drained spinach, chopped artichokes, and the shredded mozzarella and Parmesan cheeses. It's time to bake our delicious dip. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the entire mixture into a small, oven-safe baking dish, about 8 by 8 inches or similar. Spread it evenly. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the dip is hot, bubbly around the edges, and the top is lightly golden brown. This ensures all the flavors meld perfectly. Your amazing spinach artichoke cheese dip is ready. Serve it hot, straight from the oven, with your favorite dippers like tortilla chips, pita bread, or slices of a crusty baguette. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley on top adds a nice touch of color and freshness. This dip is perfect for parties or a cozy night in. Don't forget to check the description for links to other great deals, including that car air freshener.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.